Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to switch one VPS subscription. Let's say that you've subscribed to VPS for 3 to 6 months and it's attached to an account that either blew up or you want to move it to a different account. So I'm going to show you how that's done in this video. The first thing we need to do is take note of the account number that we are using. So in this case, 1037897, and I have a VPS here in Singapore, the Singapore 1 data center, of course Singapore. And so what first thing I want to do is take note of that account number, and I want to switch over to my browser and go to MQL5 login. And at the top is this VPS option, and then on the left is my subscriptions. And I want to go ahead and locate, when I click on my subscriptions, I want to go ahead and locate the account number that ends in that 7897, which is right here. And so this is the one I want to move. This is the one I want to change. This is the account I don't want to be connected to. So what I want to do here, you'll see I have 4 set up here. So what I'm going to do is click this edit button, and I want to go to change account. Now what I'm going to do is I want to first figure out what account do I want to go to. So there's really 2 account numbers. I kind of want to move the MQL here down to this guy, down to this account. And in order to do that, I need to make sure that the system will recognize and will allow me, I should say, to move that around. And so I need to just make note of what this new account number is. What the new account number is, 1062628. So 106. So I need to just take note of that, write it down. And then what I want to do is go find this account number. This is the one I'm going to move from, and I'm going to basically change the login ID from what it was to what I want it to be, 1062628, and I'm going to click move. Now what this is going to do is it's going to take a minute or two. And so what's going to happen here once this is done, and this may take a few minutes, maybe 5 to 10, is it's going to get rid of this out of this account, and it's basically going to move it down here to this account. So I'm going to pause this video for just 1 sec while we wait. Of course, it's not instant. I'm going to pause this just for a minute while we wait for this to migrate, and I'm going to unpause it here in just a sec and show you that it worked. Okay, so it looks like it took about 4 minutes, and you will see that the VPS is no longer under this account number ending in 897. It is now migrated, and now I'm down here under this 628 account, right? So if I was to double click on this, I can see that it's set up, pretty much ready to go, and whatever strategy I had set up previously is going to also move as well. So if I want to use a different strategy or whatever I want to configure, I need to go ahead and set that up and configure it here. And that is the basics of how you move a VPS from one account to another.